Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to replace the back screens, the DVD screens on a 750i F1 F2 BMWs. So the reason why I'm replacing this screen because it's damaged, it had a crack. It's not working fine, so it's a very easy process to do. All you need to do is to get a 2020 screwdriver, a ratchet with a 10 millimeter socket, and pretty much that's all. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the screen, you're gonna lift it up like this, and then you can see the bolts. There is one bolt right here, right there. There's another bolt right there, another here, and there's another here. So all you have to do is remove the bolt, those nuts, two nuts, and these little screws. Then hold this little bracket. Then you're gonna pull it down. You have to be careful because it has this little thing, then holds it. So you have to pull it out and slides it down so it gets out of the way. So as soon as you do that, you have to remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which are these ones? These screws. So as soon as you get that done, you're going to remove the plugs. You can see the plugs there, 1, 2 plugs, and there is another small one there, and pretty much that's all. And then you have to put everything back together, which is so easy because you know how to the same way you remove it, you have to put it back. So pretty much that's all. Thank you very much.